guys, so today I'm going to, I already cut this, but today I'm going to try this new food, frozen food, ready to eat. Look at that. It is called, the brand is Burmer, and it's chicken panini primavera. Oh yeah. There it is. Look at that. Look at that. It doesn't say to put oil, but I'm going to add a little bit of oil. So there it is, my love. So here's the bag. I decided to do it everything. It's ready to be served, and let's see if my husband likes it or not. Oh, he finished. So what's the review?
It's good.
Uh-huh.
It's not great. It's good.
Would you buy it again?
Maybe.
Maybe.